So this time we will be doing our 5th presentation, and we will be incorporating the same technique as we did the last time, saying the last word.
Alright, so we're going to actually use the same article that we did last time. It's called Kidding Around. If you guys remember, it's about the goats, but this time we're using for diverse learners, like Andy stated. So we have translated it to Spanish, so those English learners have the chance to read it in Spanish if they would like to.
So we're going to follow the same process, and during the reading portion is when they're going to use the translated version. They can refer back to it if needed, and then they're going to do their 3 phrases. And then we're gonna, after they write the 3 phrases down, they're gonna have the couple minutes or so to write their deeper thoughts or their questions or their deeper understandings or opinions, whatever they want to write back on their cards. And then we're gonna split them up into groups, and they're gonna go around the group. They're gonna have the person in charge, they're gonna share their phrase, and then they're gonna go around the group, and they're each gonna say something about that phrase. And then this will help with English language learners, because the person that wrote the phrase might have just copied it right out of the article, but then they get some opinions on what it actually means before they have to state their own opinion.
And then we're going to bring them all back together. And in this, we're going to have them pull out their science journals that they have for just our courses, and they'll, like we did the last time, we'll have them glue it in there. And then they're probably going to have questions with it as well, so we want the students to make sure that they write their questions. And then that way, us as teachers, that we'll be able to read them so we can get a heads up on the next day of what we should talk about. And then the following day, we'll have a discussion on the questions that arose from the article. And that's our presentation.
Cut.